How to find and reclaim your old LinkedIn account in 2025. First, start with the basics. The first step is to check the email address you used to create the account. LinkedIn often sends account related emails, including password reset instructions or notifications about account activity. If you remember your email address, try logging in with your usual password. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option on the login page. This will send a password reset link to your registered email address. Second, reactivate a recently deleted account. If you deleted your account less than 14 days ago, you can easily reactivate it. LinkedIn holds account for 14 days before permanently deleting them. Simply log in using your email address and password, and you'll see a reactivate button. Click it, and LinkedIn will send a confirmation email to reactivate your account. Third, contact LinkedIn support. If more than 14 days have passed since you deleted your account, you'll need to contact LinkedIn support. You can do this through their Contact Us form on their Help Center page.